So guys, today I'm doing a couple odd and end things. So when we relocated our battery, we just hooked everything up quickly, just so it was out of the way. So now we are going to literally cut every single wire, rewire all of this up. It's gonna be fun, but we want to get it done. What a wire mess. Look at this, guys. All this, all this, all this, all this. Oh, someone save me. So this is our EGR fan. We're actually going to tie that with the idle chop mod, so that way when the idle chop mod's on, the EGR fan kicks on at the same time. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and just rewire our entire LED light system as well. A couple spare wires so far. Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see any wires anywhere. What are you guys talking about? Alright, so we got lights the whole way around the grill now. I thought about doing one in the center, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe in the future. So we actually got 2 lights left. So I think I'm going to put them on the side here because I don't quite know where else to go with them. So we cleaned up all the wires that were here. We cleaned up about half the wires that were here. There's still a lot of wires. And that's mainly because when I supercharge the Mustang, I want access to positive and ground and some other wires, so we're going to keep some of them there, but we got rid of all of these wires so far and some others as well, and cleaned it up, made it a little cleaner.